Hey guys, it's Monday, February the 26th of 2024, U.S. session close. Let's check out nat gas and see what has happened. I'm looking at NG volume, contract change just kicked in. And you can see that we got this nice little pop, not by much, but so far you see that this midpoint on the Andrews pitchfork is holding well. MACD still negative on the monthly, value area low is still holding at $1.55. It looks like we're going to have a MACD crossover here. On the dailies, interesting. We broke through the mobile bands, but that's because of contract change. If you type in J24, you can see the price action will be in the midpoint here. I mean, I'm not going to do that now. I mean, I can. Let's see. Just to show you. Type in J24. And you see you're back in the mobile band. So you need to get above $1.79 to at least get a bullish momentum to test at least 186 and kiss the 20 SMA. But if it's going to go down, you need to at least break $1.68 to test 160 for, fail new low and then maybe bounce. So something to keep that in mind. Let's go into a regular chart. So you can see that's what that PPS buy signal is. Let's look at our midpoint chart real quick, and also be aware that statistically, today it kind of opened really strong and then boom. So statistically did work out today. So it was $2 negative. So that was good. Tomorrow it's a bigger down day, but we don't know. It's not guaranteed. I'm just telling you statistically wise what could probably happen using probability. It's minus 102%. The weekday is bullish, but trading day is really bad. So just keep that in mind. Make sure at least you're above the midpoint charts, which is $1.50, $1.67 for the week, and $1.66 for tomorrow. If you do the J24, for those that are already in the new contract, that will be $1.73 and $1.78. Let's go back to here because this is where I have my notes. So if we're gonna have a pullback, I'm looking at I didn't get in. It didn't go down to like $1.57. That's what I was watching. It went as low as what is this? And on top of that, change of contract was $1.59. So now if it pulls back to fill in this gap and pushes a little more, and it kisses, well, let's go to the J24. Yeah, I'm looking at like $1.59 around there. It's gonna have to go deep. 57, like 58, 59. I was thinking about here on the J24 contract. So anywhere around here, I'm gonna start nibbling. I don't have my notes on this one because it's a different, contract number. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. If they're going to flush it tomorrow, I'm going to dip my toes right around here, 58, 59, 57, and see what happens. If it gets down there, because tomorrow statistically is a down day. So I'm going to wait for it to come to me and trigger my long and then see what happens. But if the train leaves me again, that's fine. I just want to see now a reversal and let them take out, these highs. That way I know. But, it could also be consolidating here back and forth. We know that May is just kind of stagnant, but we know a lot of cycles are turning. So there's a lot of things happening. You just kind of be kind of like, on the mountain looking with binoculars. Okay, what's going to happen? What? I know all these, scenarios. What is really going to happen? Because members of traders report commercial are hedging, large regulators are shorting. So it's like a lot of things moving. But as long as you have all that information in your head or on your sticky notes or whatever, price is king. Just got to see what is going to happen. And this is your range right here. So I'm going to sign up. I'll keep you posted tomorrow. My U.S. pre-market open video early in the morning. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.